Okay, first of all, let's implement logout functionality. So let's run our application, Ctrl J, and let's navigate to client project and npm start, and let's click plus icon for open another terminal. Okay, let's navigate to API project and .NET was run. Okay, let's open our client project. Let's click this link. Okay, our application is opened. Now we have a logout button here, but it is not working now. So let's open developer tool by pressing Ctrl Shift I and go to application. For now, let's remove this token and this user also. Remove it, and let's refresh our application. Ctrl R. We are now in logout state, so let's log in again. Login. Now we have successfully logged in, so we can see our token and user is set in local storage successfully. Let's close this one. Now let's implement this logout button. So go to sidebar. So let's search sidebar by pressing Ctrl P, and let's say chat sidebar component HTML, or we can type CSC. We can search by shortcut. Let's click this one, and here let's add here click event, and let's say logout. Let's copy this one and go to component. Here let's implement logout functionality here. Let's paste it, and here let's inject first of all auth service inject. Let's say auth service. Here this dot auth service dot logout. We don't have logout functionality in auth service, so here let's press Ctrl dot and declare method. Save it. Go to auth service. Here we can see logout. Let's cut from here and let's go to bottom and paste it here. Okay, let's implement logout functionality in service. Let's remove token and user from local storage. So local storage dot remove item this dot access token. Let's go to top, and we have this token here, token variable. So let's pass here this dot token, and here local storage dot remove item user. Save it, and let's save this one also. Go to browser, and let's click this dot and let's log out. So we have successfully removed our local storage data, token and user, but we still are here in chat. So after successfully log out, let's navigate to home page. Let's go to chat sidebar component TS, and here let's inject router inject router from Angular/router. Okay, and here after successful logout, let's navigate to login page. This dot router dot navigate. Let's pass here login and save it. Go to browser. So let's login again. And now let's test logout functionality. Let's click logout. we can redirect to login page after successfully log out. So we have implemented logout functionality.